Dear students, today's topic is physical exercise. Before we discuss about physical exercise, let us know what is meant by physical activity. World Health Organization defines physical activity as any bodily movement produced by skeletal muscles that requires energy expenditure. Physical inactivity has been identified as one of the leading risk factors for global mortality. Regular and moderate intensity physical activity such as walking, cycling, or participating in sports have significant health benefits. It can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, obesity, hypertension, diabetes, depression, etc. Adequate level of physical activity will decrease the risk of hip or vertebral fracture and help to control weight. Exercise is not synonym with physical activity. It is a subcategory of physical activity. Exercise is physical activity that is planned, structured, and repetitive for the purpose of conditioning any part of the body. Exercise is used to improve health, maintaining fitness, and is important as means of physical rehabilitation. Exercise is performed for various reasons, including the strengthening of muscles and the cardiovascular system, honing athletic skills, losing or maintaining weight, and for enjoyment. Frequent and regular physical exercise boosts the immune system and helps to prevent the diseases such as coronary heart diseases, cardiovascular diseases, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. Exercise can be divided into three. They are isometric exercise, isotonic exercise, and isokinetic exercise. Isometric exercise is an exercise given to particular muscles with contraction and without any movement in the affected joints. The muscle fibers maintain a constant length throughout the entire contraction. The exercises usually are performed against an immovable surface or object. Isometric training is effective for developing total strength of a particular muscle or group of muscles. Pressing against a wall, plank pose, and wall sit are examples for isometric exercise. Isotonic exercise is an exercise in which both the muscles and the joints move simultaneously. In isotonic exercise, movement of a joint during the muscle contraction is felt. A classic example of the exercise is weight training with dumbbells and barbells. As the weight is lifted throughout the range of motion, the muscle shortens and lengthens. Isokinetic exercise utilizes machines that control the speed of contraction within the range of motion. Exercise is performed with a specialized apparatus that provides variable resistance to a movement that takes place at a constant speed. Such exercise is used to test and improve muscular strength and endurance, especially after an injury. In isokinetic exercise, there is a combination of the best features of both isometric exercise and isotonic exercise. Depending on the overall effect they have on the human body, physical exercises are generally grouped into three types. First one is aerobic exercise, second one is anaerobic exercise, and third one is flexibility exercise. Anaerobic exercise. Anaerobic exercise is a type of exercise that breaks down glucose in the body without using oxygen. Anaerobic means without oxygen. Anaerobic exercise is harder but shorter than aerobic exercise. Examples: sprinting, throwing, weightlifting, etc. Aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise includes any types of exercise, typically those performed at a moderate level of intensity for extended period of time that maintains an increased heart rate. Aerobic literally means with oxygen. Aerobic exercise stimulates neurotransmitters in the brain to produce serotonin and endorphin that makes us feel better instantly. Flexibility exercise. Flexibility exercise is an activity designed to increase joint range of motion and extensibility of muscle. Flexibility in some joints can be increased to a certain degree by exercise.